Mr. Greer, this is your initial appearance in two cases. The first is cause number 24 DCCR 2220, and in that case, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from August 24th of 2024.
Right away this gets serious. Two separate cases, same charge, unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. That's not a paperwork mistake, that's a pattern. When a judge hears the same felony twice in under a year, alarm bells go off instantly. This is already a bad start.
And then you also have cause number 25 DCCR 0324, where you're also charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, and that's from January 27th of 2025. So, since you've made bond in these cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's on the process of right now.
Who are you planning on hiring?
I'm really undecided right now.
Okay.
Just trying to,
Speak up where I can hear you.
I say I'm really undecided right now.
Are you working?
Not currently, because I currently just had to find out, like, again, for the, I think it was some misdemeanors or something that was picked up. So I had to find out right after I had just found out on the other case. So I really haven't had time.
Do you have your GPS device on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so you made a $100,000 bond and a $20,000 bond. So what?
This detail matters more than most people realize. A $100,000 bond, GPS monitoring, and strict conditions aren't suggestions, they're court orders. When you're out on bond, you're basically on thin ice. One bad decision can send you straight back into custody.
What I'm going to do, Mr. Greer, is, hold on, let me look at one thing before I do that. Where are your previous felonies from? Where have you been convicted of felonies? What counties?
It was just county.
Here in Jefferson County? How can I see on here? Go to where? I don't know what you're my what? I don't see a summary. Click on your star. Summary. Or actually go to parties. Click on his name and then click on his name again. Cases. That's a bunch of buttons to push. And those are active in the scroll. So this is a felony. That's a. Oh, that's the same as that. This one. There's that one. Unauthorized use of a vehicle. That. It's the same. That was dismissed. These were disposed.
Watch the judge carefully here. This isn't confusion, this is verification. She's pulling prior felonies, checking dispositions, and confirming patterns. Judges don't rush bond decisions, especially when firearms are involved. Every click is another piece of the puzzle falling into place.
And there's more. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. Mr. Greer, if I test you this morning, you gonna have something in your system? No? All right, let's double check that and then we'll figure out what to do, okay? Just have a seat in the jury box.
We showed he has a warrant, but we can't confirm it with the jail, with the dispatch. So,
Oh, Ramon Artola?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so,
I'm gonna bring him back out. Sharon said you called for him?
mm-hmm,
And we're gonna take him down to 3 and let them figure it out. Just whether or not-
it's out of 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me do, remind me and I'll call it. Well, you want to go ahead and get on with that? Is he out here? Good morning. Are you Ramon Artola Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Artola, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25. Mr. Greer, when did you bond out?
Like sometime last month, or like, it was like the last month, the beginning, because I bonded out 2 times back to back, so it was like.
So you but within a month, you bonded out, and then you smoked marijuana before coming to court with 2 felonies pending.
What you mean?
You tested positive for THC
You said this morning.
before court.
And here it is, the moment everything collapses. Testing positive for THC before court while out on bond for 2 gun felonies? That's not just careless, that's a direct bond violation. Let me ask you this, if you can't follow the easiest rule, don't use drugs, why should a judge trust you with freedom?
So within the last month, after bonding out for 2 felonies, you've already made a bond on one of those of $100,000. You smoked marijuana. When? It's the last time you smoked?
Like sometime in December, like beginning of December.
Well, obviously it was sometime in December because you just got out of jail in December and it's January. So how long before court? I mean, did you do it this last weekend,
No,
New Year's Eve?
Like the beginning of December, like probably like when I'm not gonna lie, probably when I first got out. Like I think
So here's the thing, Mr. Greer, what you're charged with is 2 felon in possession of firearm cases. That concerns me greatly, the fact that you made those bonds and still made the terrible decision to smoke marijuana between now and then. It's obviously a violation of your bond as well. And
This is where judges shift from patient to protective. The concern isn't marijuana, it's judgment. Firearms charges plus substance use equals public safety risk in the court's eyes. And once a judge labels you a risk, everything gets tighter, faster.
so based on that, I am going to raise your bond in each of your cases. In cause number 25 DCCR 0324, I'm raising that bond to $200,000. In cause number 24 DCCR 2220, I'm raising your bond to $100,000. A condition of each of those bonds, if you make them, is that you have a drug patch on at all times. Also, that you would be required to wear a GPS monitoring device and be on house arrest.
that's what I got.
Well, they'll take that off. If you make the bonds in the other cases, you're going to have to get another one on, and you're going to be on house arrest. You can't leave your house if you make those bonds except to come to court.
This is the price of bad decisions. Bond doubled. House arrest. Drug patch. GPS monitoring. No freedom except court and lawyers. The judge didn't send him to prison, but she made it crystal clear. Mess up again and jail is next. So was this harsh, or exactly what accountability looks like?
Court or see your lawyer. Do you understand?
I didn't smoke no weed this last.
Go with the bailiff.